Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to edit quick access on Samsung Internet. So as you can see quick access right here. Now let's say I want to edit this. Next thing I'm going to do, I click on the edit button right there and then click on shortcuts. Now I can decide to remove anyone. For example, let's say I want to remove booking.com. So click on it and click on delete. So nothing you can do to it. You can decide to rename it. Let's say I want to rename this Opera. Click on rename, and let's say I want to make it Opera News instead. Click on rename and it's done. So you can also decide to delete everything by clicking on all at the top there and click on delete all at the bottom. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.